We are at the Coyoacan Food Market and we are here to do a food tour. Let's go! You're about to see some really good Mexican food, including Grasshopper Quesadilla. Mmm, crunchy. Okay, first stop on our food market tour are the tostadas, which are supposed to be extremely good in this market. So that's what we are going to start with. Unfortunately, for any English-speaking people who come here, there is a menu that is in English. On the tostadas front, we got octopus, we got salad, and we got pork meat with achiore sauce and spices. Okay, let's do this. The octopus tastes like it's marinated. Like it was pickled before the tostada. I don't even need the rest of the tostada. I can just eat the octopus. That's quality. Octopus, bueno. Salad, bueno. It's tasty. It feels like an unhealthy salad, but those are the best tasting salads. The pork tostada broke from my trying to pick it up. It's so heavy, it's so full of food. Pork tostada. Pork tostada is best tostada. The tostadas are a little messy, but they're good. But not for a first date. First stop, done. Stop number 2 is gonna be a quesadilla. But not just any quesadilla. A quesadilla de chapulín, aka a grasshopper quesadilla. And you see that? Those are the crickets. Time for the crickets. Cricket quesadilla. And they just fell out. Okay. Actually, I'll be honest. Crickets aren't really my thing.
It's not good?
It's not the best. Some people here really like crickets. I really don't. Now we try the emolada, and this is not crickets. It's made with chicken and what I think is a mole sauce. And not totally my thing either, but much better than the crickets. Now, all credit to the emolada. It's not bad. Mole sauce isn't my thing, but if you really like chocolatey sauce on your chicken, this will be for you. Woo! My belly's rumbling from them crickets. Next, I'm gonna try something significantly safer. The pozole rojo. Receta de la abuela. Somebody's grandmother's recipe. Sans crickets. So tons of ingredients go into this dish. You can see there's pork, and instead of pork, one can use chicken. Then there's the big white corn as opposed to, for example, the yellow corn. And of course, radishes and cabbage. You can also add on any one of these sides to it. Much better than crickets. So much better. It tastes like abuela made it. Just right amount of spice. Tasty broth. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Unlike crickets. And then you just put some onions in there. And wow. Not only is the soup just the winner of this entire food tour, at least thus far. This might be the end of it, but at least thus far. The soup is like a, it's like a ramen-y concept thing. But even more importantly, the passion fruit juice that they brought to us. This is how large it is. Es muy delicioso. You know what? Nothing's gonna beat that that's the end of this food tour. Like this video, comment what you like the best, and sub to the channel. Peace.